Okay, so we're starting off with our warm-up, the knee highs. And with this move, you want to make sure that your hands are out in front of you and you're bringing those knees up to a 90-degree angle. Nice and control. And we're doing this for 30 seconds in the workout. Now from there, the next part of our workout is the knee tucks to the side. So you're going to have your fingertips right by your ears. You're not grabbing onto your head or anything like that. Just hanging out by the ears, bringing that knee out, turning that leg out to the side, and bringing it to the elbow. Just like that. A few of these out to the side. So you always want to just make sure your arms are up nice and high, chest is out, fingertips are by the ears. Turn that knee out and up, knee out and up and up. Bring the elbow down to meet it. Perfect.